welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Let's open a Cricut Maker 4 and see what's inside. Cricut did send this to me so that I could unbox it and showcase it for you. So thank you, Cricut. Yeah, let's see what's inside without further ado. They are making them more of a bundle box, so this should be a lot of fun. So the packaging already is very nice, very clean and crisp. And it does say right on top, it's upside down, but 15-minute guided setup, then start making with included materials. So that's pretty cool. And then you just open her up and there she is. Comes with this little box of goodies. We'll take a look at what's in there in a minute. Packaging. Ooh, she's pretty. It does come in sage, I believe, as well, but I believe that is Michael's exclusive. I'll get those details for you if you want them. This is the one directly from the Cricut website. Okay. And then, of course, in the box we have some power cords and cutting mats. So the blue light grip cutting mat is included. Pardon my voice, I just got over an illness. So this is the light grip mat that was included. This is the beautiful, ooh, what should I name her? Drop suggestions below. What should I name her? What should I decorate her with? She's a very pretty pink color. I like it. Which is covered in plastic. Her color is actually called a seashell. Oh, there you have it. The beautiful Cricut Maker 4. For her first time ever out of the box. A little tray. I guess she kind of looks pink, but she also looks tan. I really like it. Depends on the lighting. Very cool. Okay, let's see what's in the box and get her connected. So, tells you right here where to go, cricut.com/setup. I've got a QR code, it's got all that, and then it tells you now we can mix stuff. So let's see what's included. Okay, first up we have a mini weeder. I have one of these with my Cricut Joy Extra, and I love it. It's just a little pokey tool to help weed out the extra things that you don't want in your project. A black pin. .4 looks like. Yeah, 0.4. Very nice. User guide. Some yellow paper. Cardstock. This textured cardstock on one side, smooth on the other. There are two pieces in here. And then we've got smart vinyl. Okay, this is transfer tape. This is transfer tape. This is smart iron-on. Nice. This is smart vinyl removable. So it's good for putting it on water bottles. Oh, looks like it's a whole package of smart vinyl removable, maybe. Yep. So there are three pieces of that. Okay, so now we're going to go to Cricut.com. Where did I throw that thing? Oh, I was too excited to see what was inside. Cricut.com/setup. And then we're going to set up a cutting machine. And the Cricut Maker 4. Continue. Prepare your workspace. You want at least 10 inches from the space behind the Maker 4. Plug it in. You can use the USB cord or Bluetooth. I do Bluetooth. Turn on my Bluetooth on my Mac. Okay, once the Maker 4 shows up, you can connect to it. And my Maker 4 has been connected. I'm going to activate it to my email address and update if needed. Register it to my account. Now the fun part. We'll make a practice project together and you'll get a custom decal to stick on a water bottle, notebook, or whatever you like. Very nice. And then it walks you through create your design on Canvas. Canvas is where customization happens. Click on image to start creating your design. Okay. Images. Then we're going to pick on the plus button. So it's very nice. It walks you through exactly what to do. Now we're going to add text. My name. Maybe we'll do my name twice. On a space. No special characters for this one. No spaces. Okay. It's already aligned for you. You just personalized your first design. Now you're ready to make it come to life. Get your material. All you need for this project is a blank sheet of vinyl that came with your box. So that would be this one. Smart vinyl, removable. Continue. Your machine will show here. Continue. Okay, smart vinyl removable. We've pre-selected the material for you for this project, the vinyl you just grabbed. Click continue. And then it tells you, because this is smart vinyl, we don't need a mat. So we're just going to load it in. Press the load button. Make sure your clearance is good behind it. And before I push go, I'm just going to double check, because I just unpacked her, that the blade is good and it's in the housing correctly, which of course it was, but you never know. Could have shifted in shipping. Okay, and then I'm a little off-centered, but I'm going to push the button. This shouldn't take long. Good things are coming. The machine takes a few seconds to confirm everything is in place. It's fairly quiet. Very nice. And then you unload it. Next, you just check that everything cut, and then you can just peel it out. Jen. Let's stick it on a notebook. Ta-da! So easy as that, and now you're set up and ready to start creating. Just a little bit of comparison for you. The Explorer 3 and Maker 3, it does have a slight upgrade to the speed. It's 8 IPS for smart material for the 3, and it's 10 IPS for smart material for 4. And on a matte, it's 5 IPS and 10 for the Maker 3 and 10 IPS for the Maker 4. So definitely an increase when it's on a matte, a little bit more when it's on smart materials. IPS is inches per second, by the way, on the axis cuts. So on the diagonal cut, it's faster than that. It goes up to 14.1. Which is definitely a big improvement from the 11.3 without a matte and a 7.1 with a matte. The prices of the machines in US, the base machine is only available in the seashell color, so that is this pretty color right here. I don't know exactly what they call it, but I think it's kind of like a beigey pink. I really like it. Definitely gives me seashell vibes. In the Explorer 4, the price is about $249 retail. The Maker 4 is $399 retail. There will also be different colors available, a different color available. So it comes in seashell and sage. So sage is a really pretty green that is available only at Michael's. Outside of the US, Mexico, and Canada, you can get the Explorer 4 in seashell and the Maker 4 in sage. So for my US folks, if you're buying on Cricut, you'll get this color, but if you go to Michael's, you can get the sage color. Sage is a soft and tranquil color, adding a sense of comfort and balance to any home. Exclusively at Michael's and sold as a bundle. So, I mean, there you have it. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to see. If there's any questions you have. It is a little bit faster. I get the question a lot, should I upgrade if I have the 3? That's totally up to you, obviously, but my suggestion is, unless you need another machine, stick with the tried and true Maker 3. Those are no longer going to be sold at Cricut. They'll be exclusive to Walmart. But they're definitely still supported, and they're a great machine. So upgrade when and if you need it. And I'm definitely going to be enjoying this. Let me know, like I said, if you have any ideas for decorations or a name for her or what I should do. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.